content. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Wild Hacking. That's right, all kinds of content. So this is going to be the start of our new series of videos, which is going to be about Wireshark and packet analysis in order to troubleshoot network problems. So let's go into my PowerPoint here. Wireshark, understanding packet analysis with Wireshark. Intro to Wireshark. What is Wireshark? Wireshark is a packet sniffer used to troubleshoot network problems and issues through packet analysis. But what is a packet? A packet is a piece of raw data the computer uses to communicate with other computers and software on the computer. When you type google.com into the address bar of your internet browser, your computer creates a packet that is sent to the Google server, and then the Google server sends back another packet, and then the web page loads in your internet browser. Wireshark is free and open source and supports over 1,000 different protocols. And if it doesn't support a protocol, you can code that support yourself and then submit it to Wireshark. Your first packet capture. Packet analysis is used to diagnose and resolve network troubles. You use Wireshark to sniff packets on the network that will give you clues to what is wrong with the network. Okay, so normally, if you're doing packet analysis on a network with multiple devices connected, then you're going to want your network interface card to be in promiscuous mode. But since there is only one machine on my network, we don't need to put the network interface card in promiscuous mode. So let's open up Wireshark and perform a packet capture. I'll just go to my desktop here and double click Wireshark. Okay, there's an update. Let me just double check, make sure. Okay. So this is Wireshark. Okay, so let's just go into capture and then options. And these are all of the network interface cards on the device. And you can even go and see the MAC addresses and stuff. So, yep, I'm on my network. So let's start capture. Okay, we'll let this run for a minute and then we'll stop it. Okay, so here is all the packets, tons of packets. So my computer, my network is really doing some stuff here. It's going wild. Yep, mostly TCP. We got some HTTP. So TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. And over here, it's got the source, it's got the time, and it's got the source IP address listed there, and then the destination IP address is listed there. Okay, so we're going to talk about Wireshark's main window. So here is the main window. As you can see, it's a three-pane window here on the top where it's all color-coded. Yeah, that's right. You can use color coding. So you can change the color of TCP packets. You can make, they're black in this one, but you could make them any color you want. You can change the color of HTTP packets. You can change the color of packets depending on what type of protocol they have. So as you know, when I click each packet, so this is the Wireshark main window, okay? We have three panes. It's a three-pane interface. We have the packet list window, which is the top one, the color-coded one. And then on the bottom left here, we have the packet details window. And then on the right, we have the packet bytes window pane, which contains the raw data of the packet. And the packet list pane it numbers the packets from first to last. It has the time at which they were captured. It has the source IP that they were captured from and the destination IP that they were going to. It has the type of protocol like TCP, which is Transmission Control Protocol, or HTTP, which is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. And then it has the length of the packet in bytes and then some info about the packet. Down here on the bottom left is the packet details pane where you can select a packet, go down, see where it says transmission control protocol, source port 80, destination port 5997, sequence, act, length. So it's 1376 bytes. So down here you can see all the TCP transmission control protocol information on there. And then you can check out the Internet Protocol version 4 with the IP address. And yeah, and then that is the Wireshark main window. So I hope you guys enjoyed this talk. I'm going to continue it furthermore. We're going to do a lot more with Wireshark, so stay tuned. Explicit content. Okay, so I mentioned how Wireshark is color coded, as you can see from the packet list pane, where it shows all the packets that were captured. You can see that they're color coded black and green, or really like olive. It's like an olive green, black and olive green. And there sure is a lot of packets. But so also Wireshark has a neat little feature. They're called configuration profiles. So if you change some settings like the color rules for the color coding of packets depending on protocols for each task, like say you want to easily identify uh, DHCP packets and FTP packets, and you got to color code them, you can change the color coding rules so that the colors change depending on the protocols, and then save those into profiles. So I'll show you. Okay, so let's change the color. Let's go to View, and then it's on here, Coloring Rules. See, we have coloring rules. So let's see. Let's check it out. Let's change. Okay, so black here is, oh wait, is that? Yeah, let's change. Yeah, so let's change this checksum error. We, we click the checksum error. That's interesting. There's bad packets on the network. So we got a checksum error. That means packets are getting altered. That's crazy. So there is some problems on this network if we found any of those black ones, right? Yeah, checksum error, bad TCP. Okay, let's change the checksum error background color to this bright yellow, this bright yellow green. Change that. Okay, now we're going to click OK and see if we have any of those. I'm scrolling. I don't see. Oh, wait, there's a blue one. Okay, let me just go back up to view. Let's check this out. Let's see if the coloring rules. Okay, yeah, the checksum error. Okay, yeah, it's a bright yellow. So we change. Let's change. Oh, there's some ICMP. Okay, let's change this back actually. Or now, nah, just leave it like that. Whatever. Leave it like that. And then, yeah, so you can change the coloring rules. And then, after you're satisfied with those coloring rules, you can save that into a profile. Okay, so if we wanted to save this as a configuration profile, our coloring scheme, we'll just go to Edit, Configuration Profiles, and then we would click Add, and I'll name this first profile. Okay, so now we did it. We created our first profile. Notice that Wireshark comes with these default profiles. They got a default, Bluetooth, classic, no reassembly. Then here's the custom profile that I made, the first profile. It's a personal. It's type personal. So yeah, if you were searching for specific packets and you had them color coded for certain packets to show up as certain colors, and you had to do several jobs, instead of manually going in and changing it every single time you do a packet capture, you can just create these profiles. So let's switch to this global one. Just click OK. Okay, so here's the global profile. And then let's go back to configuration pro. Let's try the classic profile. Okay, let's go. Let's switch profiles. Go into edit, go to configuration profiles. Let's go to classic and just click OK. Okay, this is the classic view. It's kind of similar to my view. Let's okay, let me just double check, make sure that's okay. Okay, let's go to my profile. First profile, click OK. And then here we are in my custom profile. The color coding is a little bit different. We changed the checksum color code to be that bright yellow green, but luckily we haven't had any, I don't see any checksum errors, so that's good that there's no checksum errors. Okay, so that's it for right now, guys. Stay tuned. We're going to continue working with Wireshark for packet analysis and troubleshooting network problems. Explicit content.